Oh, hello everybody. How are you? Welcome to Shorty's Code. I was just thinking that in the last video, as you know, I got this new wand, which I modified a bit, and this was given to me by Professor McGonagall. And you remember she said that I have to code for Decrypt so that he can decrypt whatever I have written in encryption. So today I will code for that. Spider open arm. Oh. Yeah. So now decrypt code right now. So now I have written the code. Let's just check it out. Encryption we have done. Decryption part. Choose file. Encrypt. I can tell you that it takes a bit time. So till that time, you can look through the code. So this is the decryption part. Like this start encryption, here is the start decryption. In that I wrote the global file name entry which was declared outside. So I put global, it means I can use it here. Then the decryption text data I globaled it. Then I destroyed the root, the first one where the buttons were there. Now the same as the encryption one, a bit different. And it is done. Now let's see. Oh, see, yes, I received the wand. Thank you. So I can send this to Professor McGonagall. Okay, I sent it. So let's meet. Yeah, see. Oh, he has sent me that. Good. Let me check it out. So, test, decryption, choose file, encrypt. So, hello, I am Professor McGonagall, and now Shore has sent a message, the encrypted message he sent in last class with the app of Decrypt part. I was thinking that I will send him an encrypted message this time, and he will decrypt it, so that it is safe from Snape. Oh yes, see, yes, I have received the one. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Shaurya, for helping. Yes, so now I got the message from Professor McGonagall. It is encrypted, so that Snape can't read it. Now let me read it. The Decryptium. Decryptium. Hello, remember Quidditch is coming. You shall be seeker. Professor McGonagall. Oh, Quidditch. Okay, so thank you. we will see in the next, meet again in the next video. We will remain connected. It's Shaurya from Shaurya's Code. Thank you. The next video should probably be something special. Not about Harry Potter, but of Ganesh Chaturthi, an Indian festival. So, happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance.